for watching. We're going to be changing a back glass on an iPhone 8. It's cracked. You can pick up a new one on eBay. This cost me actually $9. You can see where the glue is on the outer perimeter only, but Apple has put glue all over the place in this thing. So you're going to need a heat gun. And first things first is turn off your phone. All right, once your phone has been turned off, you're safe to start heating it. All right, you're gonna heat around it and keep heating. Pretty much you gotta pick off all this glass. I'm making this video because people have like a 20-minute video. This is not a 20-minute video explaining this. Pretty much you're heating it up. You're gonna want some razor blades handy, maybe a couple of them, and you're gonna pick away at all this glass. You might wanna wear some rubber gloves. That'll help you out. Keep moving around. Heat guns can cause damage if they're left in the same spot. So what you're doing is just heating it. I don't know where to tell you to start at. You could try to pick away wherever you start digging it out. And right now I'll turn it off, let it sit for a little bit so that heat can just blend into there, and then I'll start up again. You don't want to just start picking away, because if you do, I don't know if you're gonna get anywhere is all. Let me try to see how this works. You know, so nothing's chipping away yet is what it is. So, and you want to get in between the glass. It'd be good to probably start right here where you could break into that sucker. And Apple only glued the entire thing down just to make it difficult for you. So you're going to have glass shards going everywhere. It might even be a good idea to wear some goggles or something like that. It's hard for you to really get get in a good spot to get this off. It's just you got to get it started and get it going. So it's just a process. You'll probably be picking away for about a half hour. It's time consuming, but it's probably like a $10 job. Not going to be very expensive. The more you heat it, the easier it comes off though. So I'll repeatedly go on this and keep heating it and continue the process. I want to show you guys what's going on in real time. It's so annoying how much they've glued this thing down. They've just really put too much glue. I count about 15 seconds, and you want to hit that metal right there. Count about 15 seconds, and I'm going to show you guys in real time what's going on. It's just it's a long process. It really is, and it's hard to get up under there. They didn't have to use this much glue on it. Apple just does not want you fixing it is all. So what I'll do is I rock it back and forth and I keep doing it. And it could take you a while, you know. But just make sure you wear some safety goggles. And you can't overheat it because you don't want to wreck your phone inside. So this will probably take me about, I don't know, 20 minutes maybe if I'm going at it. You know, so this is pretty much the process. Once you get this all cleaned up, you just put your phone on. There's one little part around the camera lens I'm going to show you guys near the end of the video. But this is what I'm going to be doing for 20 minutes, okay? That's about it. You just keep going at it, picking away. You see what's going on. I've been at it for probably like maybe 4 minutes right now. It's extremely glued on. It's ridiculous, and pretty much I'm just going to end this video because you guys pretty much got the hang of it. It's just time consuming, tedious work, and when you get over here you just take a tool like this and pry around this until that pops out. And then you put the new piece on like that, and the other one goes over it. Real simple. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.